What's up, guys? Had a pretty good weekend. Had to take my car to my favorite shop. Actually went to Cars and Coffee, of course, and then got to hang out with the Z group, and we had a little luncheon. So all good stuff. Let's get into it. What's up, guys? So I'm here at the show zone. So when I first started with the project car stuff, this was actually the first shop I came to. They did the clutch work for me. Everything turned out perfect. And I will say, this is probably one of the best places I've come for, like, being your first time. All the guys are really nice. They're really cool. Answered any of my questions, about the things that they were familiar with. So definitely recommend Show Zone for any of you guys out there who are looking to get some work done. So just getting alignment here today. Probably make an appointment to do a dyno test just to see where she's at right now. I mean, outside the intake and the exhaust, she's stock outside of that. So just to see where we're starting, and then, talk some other things later. Hopefully some boost things later. All right. So every time I come here, they've got a lot of cars outside, a lot of projects and stuff like that. So, I'm always nosy and just check them out just to see what they've got out here. So let's check out some of the cars. These are all their project cars that they're gonna do projects on. Some of those cars, like this, I'm actually somewhat interested in, but I think I should do boost-related things first before I pick up another project. Always a favorite of mine when I was younger, a CRX. You don't always see those, so that's cool. Let's see. What is that? What is that? GTR things back there. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Is that dude? It looks familiar, but no, that's not the one. Huh, that wasn't here last time. Oh wow, it's a BRZ. I know they were talking about working on this one last time. So yeah. Looks like it's wide bodied like crazy. Well, at least, yeah, look at that. Oh. I'm gonna ask someone about this. I really want to know. Everyone in the BRZs lately, or FRSs, just kind of tuning them up, and I know they're pretty balanced and lightweight, so they make a good anything car for the most part. Look at that. What's that, guys? Old Corolla. So, one of the shop owners' name is Skate. This is his C300. He's done some work. As you can see, it has the cage in it. It's a race car for the most part. Also, this Corolla over here is his as well, so I've asked him about it before. It's a really cool car. I always come look at it every time I come over here. Look at that. Isn't that cool? Look at that. Once again, cool race car. These guys can drift. I can't, so one day I want to pick that up. And they do all types of cars, so like you can see in here. Yeah, this car here is classic. I always see this one every time I come. So here, of course, they do dynos, they do... What's going on, Skate? You doing good, man? Alright. Yeah, well, I'm just filming my stuff around here, just showing them some of the cool stuff every time I come here.
Okay.
Y'all do some really cool stuff, so.
Thanks.
Yeah, man. So, yeah, I'm just getting alignment here today, but hopefully want to bring it back and do a dyno. I guess I'll have to schedule that because you guys stay busy. So.
Yeah, pretty small.
Yeah, man. Well, that's good stuff. Yeah, always cool guys. Every time I come here, these guys are really cool. So, that car back there, that's actually Christine's car. She actually lives there. It's called the so cool stuff. So yeah, definitely one of my favorite places to come, especially to get some work done. The guys are always super cool. So after I got my car taken care of at Show Zone, then the next morning I went to Cars and Coffee. Typically there's not much going on Sundays, but this Sunday we actually had a luncheon for the Z group. Let's check it out.
See what you boys is doing.
So that was the weekend. It was good to see all the peeps. My buddy Paul came back from Hawaii, bought me some gifts. So that was real cool. And I'll see you guys next time. Peace.